Mag-blow lang sila ng candle. So, una si Rans kasi si Rans yung na mag-birthday. Rans! Come here. Blow the candle. Wait lang. Hindi siya. Okay, 1, 2, blow.
Nakuha ko ng bag.
Yay! Happy birthday, Rans! One more for Ate Johan. Okay.
Blow the candle. 1, 2, 3. Blow!
Wait! Wala pa nga! Wala ko na ready. Okay, 1, 2.
Video lang daw